So gotta clean under here. We use this yardstick. We're looking for mice. Not real mice. They're play mice. Okay, Gizmo. Let's get them mice. I see one right there. Look. There's one. Yeah. Oh, there's two. Y'all keep running out of mices. I keep buying them. Oh, yes, I keep buying them for my cats. Let's see what else we got. Oh, look at there. Oh, my God. That's not dirty, y'all. That is, he's painting. It's rusting. Oh, my God. How many we got? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you found another one. Oh, well, don't push it under there. 4, 5, 6, 7. There's another one? There's another one? Let me see. Let me see, Gizmo. Now, don't push it back under there when I'm trying to get it out. Oh, there's our sticky trap. Y'all, this is why you put sticky traps under your refrigerator. Do you see what comes in your house and you don't know? Now I'm going to put a new one under there. I replace this monthly. Spiders, y'all. There's one. Get it. Get it. Get it. There you go, Stormy. There you go, Stormy. Hey, Yen. Hey, Yen. Oh, y'all. Is there any more? Now, how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8. Is there another one? Let me see. My yardstick's the best. We need to paint this refrigerator. I got a new one, but... Oh, what's that? Is that... Oh, there's another one. Yeah, there's another one. We need to fix his tail. Oh, y'all. Is there any more? This also cleans under y'all's refrigerator. Move, Gizmo. I can't see right now. Gizmo, I can't see. Any more? Any more? Yeah, I can't wait to get my new refrigerator. Oh, there's one. Get it. Get it, Gizmo. There it is. Get it. There it is. Gizmo. There. Get it. Get it. There you go. Wow. No wonder y'all didn't have nothing to play with. Y'all didn't have nothing to play with because you shoved them all under there. Oh. Oh, there's another one. I can't believe this. Oh, my gosh. Let's do it again. We're going to put a new sticky trap under there, too. Colin, I need a new sticky trap. I think that's all, boys. Well, you keep pawing at something. Is there something under there? Move your head so I can see. I don't see no more. Move, Gizmo. I think that's all of them. Move, boy. Oh, no, there's one. Oh, my God, there was another one. Oh, I can't hardly get it. His tail's hung or something. There we go. One more. Oh, my God, boys. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Y'all got 12 mices there. Oh, what else is under there? Oh, another one. Oh, look at this one. Oh, 13. There's a red one in there. Oh, is there any more? Got the jackpot here, don't we? All right, let's see. That's something. Oh, good grief. Good grief, boys. Hi. Hey, buddy. Yen. The black one's Yen. This is Gizmo here. He's the one that puts them under there. Gizmo. Oh, there's our other sticky trap. Okay, it's time to replace them. See, y'all, put sticky traps under there and replace them once a month. It catches cat hair, too. Oh, my God, this is critters that come in your house. And I don't care how clean you are, you're going to get these critters. And I just shove them under there. And my yardstick, this is metal, y'all. Keep from losing it, I got a chain on it. This is metal, y'all. Go get you a metal one, not a wood one, and it's flat. And then clean your floor. Helps keep your under your things clean. I think that's it, boys. Now, move. I gotta find my sticky traps. Time to, what is that? Is that one? Let me push it right here. No, I think, no, that's it. Okay, now, we're gonna get some new traps. Throw these away. These away, they go in the trash. Whoa, trash night. Trash night. Oh, look at all of them. See what my cats did to my wall, y'all? See, this is my wallpaper. And I had some that looked like this. But my cats jumped and would put their paws and scrape down it where this door is. And they just tore up all my wallpaper. So, I just took it all down. I got to scrape the left of this. And it doesn't look bad, just white. So I'm going to leave it. Because they're just going to tear it down again. Anyway, I got to paint this fridge. But I've got a brand new refrigerator still in the box. This is not dirt, y'all. It's rust. Probably 40 years old, this refrigerator. Anyway, we're going to remodel and I won't have this refrigerator anymore. It will be shelving over here. Okay, boys. Here, kitty. Get all these mice. Y'all supposed to keep this mouse out of my house. Yeah, get that mouse. That mouse. Oh, ain't you in heaven now with all these mices? In? Huh? Stormy? Is that fun, Stormy? What you got there? Oh, he's got a mouse. Stormy got a mouse. Help him in. What you doing over there, boy? Yeah, that thing on the door is my return. Look at your eyes. How do I fix that? Come get your mouse. When we throw you one, here you go, Gizmo. Oh, okay. Yep. Get it, Gizmo. Get it. You want a real one, don't you? Yeah. I keep buying these 3 to a pack. I probably got a slew of them next to... Ooh, get it. Stormy getting it. Stormy to get it. Y'all, here. You ever seen raining, raining mice? Do you ever see raining mice? Come on, y'all. Get a mouse. Get a mouse. Come on. Get a mouse. Get a mouse. Get a mouse. Get a mouse. Oh, get a mouse. Get a mouse. Go get it. Oh, you other two are so lazy. Come on, Yen. Get that mouse. Get that mouse. Look at this one. Get that mouse. Get it. Get it. Get that mouse. There you go. Get that mouse. Get that mouse. Get that mouse. There you go. Get that mouse. There you go, Yen. Get that mouse. Get that mouse. Yeah, you got it? Good boy. That's Yen. The black one's Yen. That's Gizmo over there with his eyes doing that weird thing. And then Stormy's over here. Y'all are messing my rug up again. That's the shoe. Shoes are supposed. Whee! There's a mouse. Supposed to keep the shoes on the rug. Oh, y'all. Here you go. my goodness. You got it? You like that? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, here you go. Here you go. Ooh. Who's gonna get it? You're gonna get it. Woohoo! Gizmo. Come on, Gizmo. Come on. He's the older cat. Oop. Look who got it. Look who got it. Yin got it. Oop, oop, oop. Ah, Yin got it. And little precious Yin. Little precious Yin. And green eyes. So pretty. So pretty green eyes. Oh, pretty green eyes. Oh, the pretty green eyes. Green eyes. Oh, them. Oh. He's got green eyes too, Stormy, but Gizmo's got blue eyes. And they usually reflect. I can't get a picture of your eyes because they're light. I guess that's why they reflect. They are blue. Only if it's really dark can I get it. Well, boys, that's it. I'm going to go eat something.